Hey guys, my name is Ken. In this video, I'm gonna tell you everything about investing with NAGA Social Investing Network. If you are looking for a detailed review to help get started, I'm gonna give you a handy guide to NAGA, as well as share the pros and cons. After watching the video, you'll know for sure if this platform for you or not. By the way, if you are new here on this channel, I talk about personal finance and investments. Subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future and don't forget to smash the like button. Finding a reliable and trustworthy broker for trading online can be a minefield for new traders and experienced traders alike. With so many trading platforms online, how do you know which trading platform to choose? For this reason, let's review one of the platforms by the name of NAGA. This is the continuation of my reviews of investing platforms, so you can choose the best one for you. So what is NAGA? NAGA is a social investing network with its own platform available on mobile and web. The company was founded in 2015 by Yasin Qureshi and Benjamin Bilski, whose mission is to make investing simple. As you probably know, trading and investing is usually far from simple, so it's pretty refreshing that NAGA's intent on making it easier to trade online. NAGA wants to empower traders by giving them fast and easy access to global markets. One of the essential criteria for choosing a trading platform is to find one that is regulated, and for this, NAGA ticks the box. NAGA is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. NAGA is a diverse platform offering 950 plus trading instruments, including Forex, stocks, and CFDs, contract for differences. You can also trade ETFs, cryptocurrency, indices, futures, and commodities as well. But more on that later. Today, NAGA is a global community of more than 1 million registered users who share their investments, get copied on their strategies, and drive millions of transactions on the platform. By the way, talking about copying, if you are new to trading, an auto copy service can be a great place to start. If you don't know what auto copy is, it's simple. Experienced traders share their trades with you and you copy their trades. The wins and losses are also shared as well. As a NAGA customer, you can select from a range of free, user-friendly trading platforms such as web, mobile devices, or desktop, giving you the ability to trade anywhere. NAGA has training resources and other tools to help you trade successfully. NAGA has a large, supportive community where beginners can learn from experienced traders. Trading can be a lonely journey, but with NAGA, you can connect with your peers to share trading knowledge and results. Also, there is a messenger option for direct messages, and you can create group chats or join expert-led public channels as well. So to recap, before I begin the in-depth review, here's what NAGA offers to their traders. So this is a social investing platform with over 1,000 4-star reviews on Trustpilot. It is registered with the Financial Conduct Authority and Cyprus SEC. There are around 950 plus instruments to trade and 1 million plus registered traders. It has user-friendly platforms, education and trading tools, and large and supportive community. This review covers the essential aspects of what to consider when choosing a broker you can trust. Let's start with the customer support. How good is NAGA customer support is? NAGA provides multilingual support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can connect to support via email or telephone, or if preferred, connect to NAGA support via live chat. With over 1,000 4-star reviews on Trustpilot, it shows that NAGA take pride in supporting their 1 million plus users. Regarding regulation, NAGA is the trading name for NAGA Markets Limited, a Cypriot investment firm that is a member of the NAGA Group AG. The latter is a fintech company publicly listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange in Germany. NAGA Markets Limited is authorized and regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. You can check the license number. Cyprus SEC supervises and controls licensed companies offering investment services. That means NAGA have to adhere to Cyprus SEC regulation by following their set rules. Cyprus SEC regulation means that NAGA clients know they are trading with a regulated online broker. The Cyprus SEC also must comply with the European MiFID financial harmonization law. which by default, NAGA must also abide by the rules. The European Union's MIFID seeks to improve levels of efficiency and increase financial transparency. Its mission is to protect consumers and promote fair competition. Also, NAGA is authorized and registered with the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA). The FCA covers the whole of the European Union. The FCA wants financial markets to be honest, fair, and effective, and wants consumers to get a fair deal. The FCA regulates the conduct of almost 60,000 businesses in the European Union. And also, one of the important things, where does NAGA hold client funds? Client funds are held in segregated accounts with the major European Union regulated banks. The funds are separate from NAGA's company funds, and thus this money is only available for operational costs, etc. NAGA Markets is a member of the ICF, the Investor Compensation Fund. The ICF can provide compensation for eligible clients for claims against a member of the ICF in cases where they cannot fulfill their financial obligations. NAGA is not just about trading. NAGA offers a free prepaid multi-currency dollar, euro, pound, MasterCard, which you can use for online or offline global transactions and ATM withdrawals. To manage your card, NAGA provides a user-friendly dashboard with top-notch security. And probably you're interested, what countries does NAGA accept? Some countries have legal restrictions for trading. If you are unsure, please check with NAGA broker if your country is permitted. Currently, NAGA doesn't provide services to the residents of US, Iran, North Korea, Cuba, Iraq, Syria, and Canada at the moment. In some cases, not all NAGA products and features are available to some countries because of legal restrictions. So before you trade, just make sure with the customer support. If you want to use MetaTrader platforms, NAGA provides the MT4 and MT5 online trading platforms. Both platforms are easy to use and have a plethora of technical indicators and tools. You can also add other indicators and tools. The MetaTrader platform can be used for automated trading if you install an expert advisor. Within the NAGA community, you can discover the best MetaTrading tools from other traders. You can download and install the MT4 or MT5 software, or you can trade from a web-based platform with nothing to download. And you can install the MT4 or MT5 app on your Android or iOS devices so that you can check your trades on the go. Here's another important feature, auto copy. As part of its mission, NAGA promotes transparency. Every online NAGA profile is visible to all other registered traders. It's an in-depth profile that shares win rates, the assets traded and the trader's performance, and much more. If your trading performance is good, you might make the NAGA leaderboard. Here you can find the best performing trading signals for anyone to copy. Trading is challenging for novice traders with a 95% failure rate for new traders. The auto-copy trades can therefore provide easier access to the trading experience. Regarding leverage, yes, leverage is variable for different financial instruments. NAGA is a responsible broker that must follow its licensing guidelines. NAGA want their traders to trade sensibly and make good decisions regarding leverage. Here's the list below of the available leverage options with NAGA, but make sure to double check that before you trade. At all times, use leverage sparingly, especially if you are new to trading. Talking about cryptocurrencies, I was interested, does NAGA have a cryptocurrency wallet? And NAGA offers a selection of cryptocurrencies and a free crypto wallet. Yes, NAGA provides a crypto wallet. As you may know, it's essential to store your cryptocurrencies securely. The NAGA wallet is free and provides a simple way to secure your cryptos. The NAGA wallet has a built-in exchange and gateway to NAGA Social Investing Network. The NAGA wallet allows instant crypto transactions with low fees. You can also buy crypto with your credit card and transfer it to your NAGA trading account. And another cool thing about NAGA is trading education. NAGA provides educational materials that can help to improve your trading. They also hold daily webinars in multiple languages. The webinars are a great source of education for the new and intermediate trader, covering many essential trading topics such as support and resistance, trend lines, technical and fundamental analysis, etc. NAGA has over 950 financial instruments to trade. They are: most major minor and exotic forex currency pairs are available for trading on NAGA with variable spreads. For example, 1.2 pips spread on Euro USD pair. Swap charges may also apply with Forex, overnight fees for open trades as well. There is an offer of good selection of cryptocurrencies, including the top cryptos such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Ethereum, and Ripple. There are no commissions on crypto trading, but the spreads are variable. Swap charges also apply. NAGA has over 10 of the most popular indices, including the following: France 40, Germany 30, Japan 225, Netherlands 25, US Tech 100, FTSE 100, and more. NAGA margin requirements for indices vary between 5 to 10% depending on the index. Spreads are variable, but there are no commission fees. And there are over 600 stock CFDs from global companies. For instance, well-known companies such as Facebook, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, and more. The margin requirement for most stocks is 20% and commission fees are 0.20%. And there is a spread and swap fee as well. Just remember, these are CFDs, not real stocks. You can also trade real stocks. You can do that by registering on NAGA Europe Markets Limited. You can also trade commodities with NAGA, such as silver, gold, and oil. Margin requirements are variable, but generally around 5-10%. Spreads are variable and there are swap fees, but there are no commission fees for commodities. If you'd like to trade futures, NAGA offer around 22 futures such as DAX 30, Euro Stocks, IBX 35, Swiss 20, and more. Margin requirements are variable but generally around 5-10%. There are swap fees but no commissions on futures. And there are approximately 17 ETFs available to trade on NAGA. ETF's margin requirement is 20%, the commission fee is 0.10%, and there are swap and spread fees. NAGA offers a spectacular amount of diverse trading opportunities. With over 950 financial instruments to trade, there is something available for every trader. If you are a professional trader, you can apply for a professional trading account with NAGA, which has increased leverage up to 1 to 20. However, NAGA does have specific criteria for professional trader status that you should apply to. As a professional trading client with NAGA, you lose the protection and investment compensation that the retail traders have. You'll be required to acknowledge that you understand the consequences of trading without this protection. So if you decided to open an account with NAGA, how do you actually open an account? It's easy to open an account with NAGA. The first step is to complete a short online registration form with your details. You'll have to confirm your email address so that NAGA knows it is you. After that, you can log into your NAGA account. NAGA asks you to upload proof of identity documents for Know Your Customer purposes. You can use a passport or driving license and a utility bill less than 3 months old. NAGA then verifies your details and you are good to go. You can now fund your NAGA account and start trading with NAGA. There is a flexible range of methods for depositing funds. You can deposit multi-currencies into your NAGA account with one of the following. This could be credit or debit card, wire transfer, Neteller, Skrill, GiroPay, or even crypto. There are no fees for depositing funds into your NAGA account. The minimum NAGA deposit requirement is only $30 in dollars, euro, or pounds. The low startup is attractive for novice traders when most other brokers require $500 minimum deposit. If you decided to withdraw money from NAGA, you can use the same methods as for depositing. You can find details of withdrawal methods in your NAGA account. Please note that your chosen payment method must be verified before you can request a withdrawal. There is a minimum withdrawal limit of $50 USD, euro, or pounds, and the fee is $10 euro, or pound. It makes sense to withdraw more significant amounts to offset the small fixed withdrawal fee. The fee is 0.99% to withdraw crypto to your crypto wallet, and if sending crypto via an email address, the fee is 0.50%. In terms of commission fees, NAGA's fees are competitive. If you want to copy a trader, the fixed fee is 50 euro cents. If your profit exceeds 50 euro cents, you will then pay a 5% fee of your profit. For equities and ETFs, the commission fee is 0.20% on the notional value. Any other fees may include the spreads and swap fees. NAGA doesn't charge inactivity fees, which is very good. And the best thing is you can open a demo account with NAGA. When you register with NAGA, you are provided with a free $10,000 demo account. If you are a new or novice trader, a demo account is a great risk-free way to familiarize yourself with the trading practice and how NAGA works. Once you are trading confidently, you can then move on to a live trading account with NAGA. To do this, you simply choose the upgrade option on your NAGA account, which takes less than 5 minutes. Under one NAGA account, you can open 2 live trading MT4 sub-accounts and 2 live MT5 trading sub-accounts. Having multiple accounts allows you to test different strategies to see which one works best for you. Well, only you can decide whether to open an account with NAGA or not. Still, I hope this video has provided sufficient information to assist your decision. Please note that the above information is not providing advice on tax, investment, or financial services. I provide the above information without consideration for risk tolerance and a specific investor's financial circumstances. Trading or investing in financial instruments such as forex, stocks, ETFs, futures, or commodities may not be suitable for all investors. It does involve risk and the possibility of a loss of capital. Write down below in the comments what do you think of NAGA. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.